what we do now, we first have to paint. Gimme. First we have to paint the face. So eyes, nose, boca. Okay. So first, who will be first?
Yeah.
First, Juli. Okay. What is this? Black. Okay.
Black.
So here, wait, I tell you. Here, make a face. Eyes, nose, and big boca. Yeah. Big eyes. Yeah? Okay. Okay, you will do it right after Juli. Okay. Now a big nose and big boca. Okay. Nasino? Where is your chucho? Where did you put the chucho? It's there on the table. Wait, I bring it. See? I give you. Now Jojo, look, Jojo. This is the face for Juli's. And now Jojo will do face here, okay? Here. You can do face here. On the pumpkin. On the pumpkin. Okay, big eyes. Okay, one. Così. Then the second one will be where? Here. Così. Whoop. Now nasino. Here. Nasino. Nasino. And now the boca. Okay? That's your pumpkin.
Daddy, vediamo il
Dimmi.
suo pumpkin.
So this is Jojo's pumpkin.
Vediamo.
Look, Jojo's
Il
pumpkin.
suo è più bello.
And your pumpkin. Now we will cut it out, okay? And this for Joy. Knife.
No, io sono piccolo.
Yeah, give like this. This one for Jojo, this one for Joy. Okay?
Mi è grande.
Jojo, sit, come. Come on. Ora, così. Okay, we take this away. And now, what do? We turn on the candle. We put the candle inside. Look, Jojo. Give me. Looky on the pen. Look. Now we turn on the light. Is it scary?
No.
No, you're not afraid? At all? Are you afraid? A little bit? No.